Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel DY Agri Corner. Today in this video I will discuss with you various tricks to remember important agriculture institutions in India. If you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe to get continuous video related to agri exams. Let's start our video. Here the important agriculture institutions in India. These are usually asked in the exams and usually students face difficulties in remembering this type of institutions. Okay guys, now I will discuss with you how you should remember the various institutions. These four institutions are deemed universities. Okay, these carry out various research along with that studies. Okay guys, here the first is Indian Agriculture Research Institute. It is located at New Delhi. You need to remember. Indian Veterinary Research Institute. It is at Ijat Nagar. Next, National Dairy Research Institute. This is Karnal. Next, based on fisheries education, this is Mumbai. Okay guys, Central Institute of Fisheries Education. Next we'll see. Now here usually student used to get confused. Okay guys, I will tell you. First is Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research. It is located at Lucknow. Okay guys, so here next is Sugarcane Breeding Institute. So within these two, student used to get confused when they will ask Sugarcane Breeding Institute whether it is Lucknow or Coimbatore. They used to get confused. Okay, so here the trick is, if Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research is given, so here the answer is Lucknow, so you can remember like ILO, that is International Labour Organization, like that. Okay, I for Indian Institute and L for Lucknow. You can add O for your how to you can remember easily. It's based upon you guys, but I am saying you some tricks so that it will be helpful for you to remember. Okay, so during my preparation time I used to remember like this. This is ILO, so this is Indian Labour Organization, like that you can remember, so you will not get confused. Again, next is Sugarcane Breeding Institute. Here B, you can see there, this B, and where it is located? It is located at Coimbatore. Okay, so you can remember as BC. When you will join as AFO, you will have in every bank there are some BCs. This is called business correspondent. So let us remember this word. Okay, when you will join the exam after cracking, you will come across with BCs every time, because your work with BCs, you will have work with BCs every time. Okay guys, so you remember this BC. Where you will see B, you try to combine with C. Okay guys, so BC, Breeding Institute, Coimbatore. B, here B, here C. Okay guys, like that. Next, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research. It is at Bangalore. Next, Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture, Lucknow. Tropical, so it is Lucknow. Okay. Next, here the confusion is between Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture and Temperate Horticulture. You can see Temperate Horticulture, same, temperate, subtropical. So here student you will get confused. So where temperature, you according to temperature, see temperate, temperature. Okay, horticulture, temperate is where? Cooling. So Srinagar is cool place, so you can remember as Srinagar. Okay, temperature, cooling, so Srinagar. Okay, next is ICAR complex, that is Goa. Next, ICAR North Eastern region, that is Barpani. Okay guys, so like that you need to remember. Next, these are Fisheries Institute. Okay guys, Fisheries Institute, that is Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, that is Cochin. Okay, next, Central Inland Fisheries Institute, that is Barakpur. See guys, here inland I is there. Okay, so trick is that IB means Indian Bank. When you are preparing for bank exams, you know Indian Bank is a bank, so you can remember as Barakpur as IB. Here I first letter, here B first letter. Okay, so IB, like that you need to remember. Next is Central Institute Brackish Water Aquaculture, that is Chennai. I told you already, you remember the word BC. Okay, here you come across B, so just here the C, so BC. Okay guys, this will going to help you in remembering various type of institutions. Okay, there are a lot of institutions are available, so you need to remember all those things. Okay guys, next is Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture. This is Bhubaneswar. Okay, like that you can connect some point and some words so that you can easily remember, and you can in options you can easily mark. Next is these institutes are based on potato. Here we have two institutions, that is Central Potato Research Institution. Okay guys, here Central Potato Research Institution. Okay guys, here Central Potato Research Institute is, potato is what? Cooling. It requires cool climate. Okay, so here the research station is Simla. Okay, next is Tuber Crop Research Institute. This is Trivandrum. Okay, so here potato cool temperature is required, so Simla. Okay, like this you remember. Next is Indian Institute of Natural Resin Gums, that is Ranchi. Okay, R is available. I know, I told you already. Connect the words or letters. R, so Ranchi. R equal to R. Okay guys, so here you need to remember like that. Next is research centers located at various places. Okay, in some places you will have lot of research stations, so you need to remember by like that. Okay, here Bangalore. Okay, so research centers are National Institute of Animal Nutrition and Physiology, next National Bureau of Agriculture, Import and Insects. Now it is changed to Project Directorate of Biological Control. You need to remember like this. They can ask you in the exam. Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, already I told you. AICRP on tropic fruits. Okay guys, this 4 institution Bangalore you can remember like that. Next is AICRP located at Bhopal. AICRP means All India Coordinated Research Project. Okay guys, so you need to remember AICRP. You should not get confused in the exams. So here the institutions are AICRP on microsecondary and pollutant element in soil plants and soil and plants. Okay guys, next is AICRP on soil test with crop response. Next AICRP on long term fertilizer experiment. Next AICRP on farm implements and machinery. This is also located at, all these are institutions located at Bhopal. Okay, next is AICRP on renewable energy for agri and agro based industries. Next AICRP on utilization of animal energy. So in this way I have discussed with you some institutions along with the tricks to remember. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay guys, so that you will get continuous videos and updates regarding agriculture institutions. In later videos I will provide you various agriculture credits, agriculture institutions MCQs, and various current affairs also related based. So you should subscribe my channel to get continuous update. Thank you guys for watching.